We're gonna build Mom a raised garden bed. These two are gonna help me, and we're gonna show you how to do it. First, I gotta go put him down for his nap. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to double tap that screen. And if you're wondering why we went with a rough sawn spruce, it's because it's an all natural wood. If you're wondering how long it's gonna last, well, that box there is 5 years old, and that's the shape it's in. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.